I'm tired of this life. I'm tired. Eh? I don't do so many things. I don't do so many things for this life. I waiting I never do. Even Yahoo self, you don't even work. Eh? Even Yahoo, you don't work. I don't sell akra, you don't work.
You think say they wise?
Waiting I never do for this life. See, I will kill myself. Ma kill myself, may everything just end.
What is that?
No, let me kill myself. This life is tiring. No. Look at him here. The gods have provided for me for sacrifice. Get him for me. Hey, Lord of Jesus, I shall not die in Jesus' name. I shall not die in Jesus' name. I shall not die in Jesus' name. I shall not die. I shall not die. I shall not die in Jesus' name. I shall not die in Jesus' name. I shall live to testify the goodness of God in my life. I shall not die in Jesus' name. I shall live to testify the goodness of God in my life. In Jesus' name. Amen. I will never die. I will never die.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?